Hi, Classroom 3. This is the last video for the school year. First, I want to say thank you, parents, so much for working with me and working with your child. You guys did a great job. You are great teachers. Thank you for sending me videos and pictures and texts and emails of your child completing the activities. Thank you for, communicating with me back and forth. You made this online learning a little easier for me because of your commitment and your involvement in your child education. Thank you. And to my students, I know we didn't spend a lot of time in the classrooms together. And you guys had a, kind of a rocky year, but you guys did so great. From looking at your files and talking with Miss Tiana, all of you guys had grown so much for September. And I could see that you guys going to be great 4-year-olds in the 4-year-old class, and you're going to be ready for kindergarten pretty soon. With that being said, just have a great summer. First and foremost, make sure you be safe. And hopefully, I will see you in September. Bye. I miss all of you.